How's it going on, guys? Today I have another pack of mobile power box here. This one is a different one. This one is called CD18-6. This one doesn't have a brand name. Multifunction battery box, like the model that came from Fire Trust or Trust Fire, sorry. So they have 650 batteries, regular 5 volts, and then this one is IP65, meaning I mean it can actually withstand weather conditions, so not to be submerged in water and not to be exposed to rain. All right, let's open this box. Let's see what we have here. Okay, okay. So this is everything. This is everything in the box. Okay, so this came with the strap, just like that of Trustfire, and this is the back. Input is 12.4 volts. Trustfire actually take 8.4 volts, so this takes 12.4 volts, and this gives out 12.4 volts DC, and the USB output is regular 5 volts maximum. Okay, so let's see let's remove this strap. Okay, let's remove this strap. All right, so the strap is long enough. You can actually strap this with your bike, with anything. It has a lot of purpose here, so depends on how what you want to use it for. So the strap is long enough, Okay, good. So this is the box itself. Like Trustfire, it has 2 knobs here, which you unscrew simultaneously to open the top of the box where you load your battery. Yeah, so I think you need to keep unscrewing this. You unscrew this anti-clockwise, and you do that until the top cover is out. All right. Okay, good. So inside it we have the sticker saying that the battery going here should have the negative terminal, the negative end facing up, while the positive end will be facing down, and the opposite way for this next one, and the next one also has the same battery polarity direction here. The same thing goes to this side as well. So inside it we have contacts. We have some kind of copper contact there that the battery is going to make contact with. This one doesn't have spring like Trustfire, and it's quite good. Looking at here, there's a notch here to properly place the top cover, and pretty much this is everything about the box. Okay, so let's see the top cover, and this is the top cover. It has a spring here to make contact with the cells, with the batteries. If you unscrew these, you get to see the battery BMS. So you get to see the battery BMS in there, and then so this has some kind of rubber here to actually meet the IP65 standard. And this is the cover, and then you have your switch on, the switch on here to switch on the USB to activate the USB port, and then these are your LED indicators for the battery levels. Okay, and it also came with this DC jack. In case you want to plus, you can actually fit in this one here. You can fit in this one here, and then have these have some wires connected here in case you want to use it for probably to power some other devices like camera, some whatever devices you want to use it to power. All right, so this is good. This is good. Okay, let's try to load this guy with 18650 batteries, and let's see the output. So like I said, this side is going to be like this, and then this side is going to be like this. This side is going to be like this. This is not so for thrust fire. Okay, this side is like this. If you fail to get this polarity right, you're gonna run into trouble. You're gonna burn out the battery BMS fitted on top of that cover, and then this one is gonna be like this. All right, good. So I'm going to cover it now. All right, pay attention to where you have the notch. Then I'm just gonna screw this down. Gotta screw it down. I think screwing it down takes some time. Yeah, so I didn't get it correctly. So, all right. Okay, it's going in well now. Okay. And you do this simultaneously in the clockwise version. All right. So if I'm to talk about the plastic, I still want to give it to a thrust fire. Thrust fire is kind of the plastic of thrust fire is kind of stronger than this one and well designed. So if you have to compare the two together, I have it here. Let me bring it to the camera here. So you have to compare the two. So thrust fire is kind of better than this one. This one doesn't have a brand name. So even looking at the knob, thrust fire is kind of better than this one. All right. But I just like this one because this one, with this one, you get 12 volts output here. Unlike thrust fire, you can only get 8.4 volts. Okay, so that's more reason why I got this one. Okay, good. So we have the battery in there, and then let's turn on this. Let's see the battery level first. All right, good. So we have the three LED on, meaning the battery is fully charged. When the battery starts discharging, so the one LED will go out, and then leaving two, and when the battery is drained out, I think you will see just one LED, which is pretty good. It's nice. All right, good. So this is the output. With this, we should get 12 volts, 12.4 volts, and then we get regular 5 volt here. We can actually use this to charge your phone, to charge any USB power device, and then this one goes to your power bike light. I mean your light, your bike light, to power your your light and for other reasons you want to use it for. Let me see if I can measure the volts coming out of this guy here. Let me see if I can measure the volts. Okay. I'm trying to do that. All right. So okay, good. So let's read the volts coming out of here. Here, this port you don't need any button to activate it. It's automatically activated. So you place this one here, and then this one here. I think I'm not doing it well. I'm not doing it well. It's kind of okay. So I think what I'll do is let me connect this connector. Let me connect this connector here and try to read it here. So this side is this side is positive and that side is negative. All right, so that is what I'll try to do. Negative here and then positive. Okay. Okay, so I have everything well connected now. Let's see what is reading. Oh, sorry, my hand is shaking. So, all right, so I don't know. This is what I'm getting. I'm getting 11.4. Kind of don't know why. I'm not getting exactly 12.4. Even with Trustfire that says the output is 8.4. I didn't get 8.4, but I was able to get 8.2. So this is what I'm getting. So 11.4. I don't know why I'm getting this. I think it's something I'll investigate later. All right. So this is what I'm getting. Probably there's energy loss somewhere. I don't really know much about that, but that is exactly what I'm getting with this guy. But pretty close to 12 volts. Okay, so I think it's good. So let me I think this is good. So this is everything about this product. Let me know what you guys think about this product in the comment section below. And then if you like this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up. And then I'll be coming your way to showcase some of these cool products that I'm getting from AliExpress, Amazon, and eBay. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you some other time. Bye.